Hi, welcome. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to register in an awesome app and website called Lyrics Training. First of all, go to the website LYRICSTRAINING.com. Here you can see the list of languages available. Choose the one that you want to learn. To be able to access, you will need an account. Sign up with your Facebook or Gmail accounts. Fill in the information. Accept the policy privacy. After that, go to your email to activate your account. Click on the link and your account will be activated. Go back to your email, click on Lyrics Training in the same link, and you will be able to see your account and user. Choose the language that you want to learn and your account will be ready for you to use it. Watch my next video to learn how to work on the exercises of this app and website.